Alright, running an F3, MTH F-3 A unit, Pennsylvania Railroad, with my Rock Island cars, and as you'll remember, my Rock Island F7, the decoder died in it, so I haven't replaced the decoder yet, so I'm running this.
You see how good your cars are. See if you can run the train in reverse.
Okay, I will.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm out of here, man.
All right, buddy.
So I'll see you next
Take
week.
care. Feel better, all right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, man.
Don't do anything I wouldn't enjoy.
No,
It certainly took you a whole lot. Gives you a lot of latitude.